What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Don't mind the tank top, it's quite hot outside. But today is the day where the Subaru reaches its final form. Not really. The wrap is going to be completed in this video. So I've done a little bit of experimenting. I've wrapped this one fender flare, but all the other ones are still black. But this one here is purple, and I honestly quite like it. But I don't really know if I like the purple or if I like the black more. But either way, I like how this looks. Now, as you can see, the front bumper is fully wrapped, so that's done. And now, the only thing we've got left is the rear bumper. So I've got some more wrap material. I've had to buy a lot of this, oh, that has not gone well. But yeah, I've got this bit of wrap material. It's not as much wrap material as it was before, but it should be enough to complete the rear bumper and probably the rest of the fender flares. Yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox this. So I've taken the little packaging cover off so you can see that's the wrap. I'm gonna be removing the rear bumper to make it a bit easier to work with. We're gonna pull that now. The car is unlocked, but unfortunately when I wrapped the hatch, I kind of broke the handle. So I'm gonna have to open this in a different way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that handle soon. Right, so, I just want to say I'm really sorry for not recording really any of the wrapping process this time. I just wanted to get everything done, because this is the final push, you know, except I have to re-wrap these doors, but that can be done later. So this is what the bumper looks like now. A little bit of silver accenting at the bottom. Few errors here and there, a lot of creasing around here. Again, a bit more similar location on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead, put everything back on the bumper, and then remount it to the car. There is the Subaru, pretty much completed. Look at that, man. That's sick. At least from a distance. When you get up close, you'll see all the imperfections and shit, but not too bad. I'm gonna go pull it outside so you can get a better view of it, but I have to put the fender flares back on, so I'm gonna do that now. So yeah, that's the wrap done. Well, pretty much. There's a few minor issues here and there, but overall, it's pretty much done. Let's just have a little quick walk around. I like the wrapped flare look, so I'll probably go ahead and wrap all the other ones as well. But yeah, here's just taking a short little tour around the car. As you can see on this side, no flares are wrapped. So this is kind of a comparison of black flares versus, well, one wrapped flare, but you can probably get the idea of what a wrapped flare would look like on this side. You know, this is kind of a big change for this car, so what I'll do is roll a short little montage of everything that this car's been through over the past couple of weeks when I've been wrapping this car. So let's go ahead and play that right now. We are finally wrapping the Subaru.